In a classified government facility hidden deep within the mountains, Dr. Marcus Fleming's genetic experiment, combining reptilian and mammalian DNA, had yielded unexpected results, a hybrid creature developing intelligence at an alarming rate. On the third night of observation, the facility's power grid mysteriously failed, and in the 17 minutes before backup generators activated, the specimen shattered its reinforced enclosure and vanished into the surrounding forest. Local park ranger Elena Cortez was the first to notice strange tracks and mutilated wildlife near Pinewood Creek, dismissing initial reports from hikers as exaggerated tales of a mountain lion. When local farmer Hank Jenkins lost 12 sheep in a single night to what he described as something walking on hind legs with claws like butcher knives, Sheriff Mills finally assembled a search party. The town of Millfield, population 200, became the epicenter of a growing panic as livestock deaths mounted and 3 hikers went missing within the span of a week. Amateur hunters who ventured into Blackwood Forest returned with recordings of inhuman howls and footage of massive clawed footprints that wildlife experts couldn't identify. When Dr. Samantha Reeves from the research facility finally addressed the townspeople, her clinical description of Project Chimera, a creature with enhanced strength, predatory instincts, and problem-solving intelligence, turned skepticism into terror. The creature finally revealed itself on Main Street during the town's harvest festival, its terrifying form, part reptile, part mammal, with an almost human intelligence gleaming in its yellow eyes, sending hundreds fleeing in panic. As military containment units arrived to recapture the escaped experiment, the townspeople of Millfield confronted an uncomfortable truth: that the most dangerous monster wasn't the creature itself, but the hubris of those who created it. The official story released to the media cited a rare animal attack, but the residents of Millfield signed non-disclosure agreements, keeping silent about the yellow-eyed terror they now saw in their nightmares, knowing all too well it wasn't the last of its kind.